everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2016 Chrysler 300 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how it looks before the installation. It's just your regular default headlight. And this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means that the tint will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. Link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting the installation, we want to make sure we remove any contaminants that the headlight might have. So just spray your slip solution onto the lens and just make sure you clean it. That way there's no contaminants when we're doing the installation. Once you finish prepping the headlight, now what we're going to do is apply slip solution onto the headlight itself and onto the lens. And our first step is to align it to this edge first. So just bring it right onto the edge and making sure when you're doing that, everything else is aligned. Now that we have this section aligned, all we need to do is just apply tack solution. So apply it underneath the film and on top. That way with our squeegee, we're just able to tack down everything in position. And then just follow through with the rest of the film. And then when you're working with this final section here, just take your time, tacking everything down. And all you need to do is just apply tack solution all around. And then with heat, and we're able to remove all of these fingers that are coming out on the top edge and on the side here. Okay, and once we finish with the installation, all we have to do is just post heat all around the edge. So just apply tack solution all around. And then with heat and the microfiber towel, just go all around to see all of the edges. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the 2016 Chrysler 300. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to give a video a like, make sure you subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.